Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Nandini Ramchandar. I am a physiotherapist and a yoga teacher. I will be showing you some basic stretches and strengthening practices today to help relieve you of your knee pain. Knee pain is a very common orthopedic condition for which people seek medical advice. Though there are a number of painkillers and creams that you can apply to reduce your pain, physiotherapy exercises are going to be very helpful in the long run because they are going to help you strengthen your lower limb muscles, thereby improving your activity participation on a day-to-day basis. The knee joint is where your thigh bone or the femur and the shin bone or the tibia meet, and the ends of these bones have a cartilage to support the joint. As you age, this cartilage starts getting worn out, causing the surfaces of these bones to rub against each other, thereby causing knee pain or osteoarthritis. The causes of your knee pain may vary, but the exercises that I will be showing you today may be relevant in most of the cases. The butterfly pose. So for that, let's straighten our legs, bending both the knees. Turn the knees outwards so you are bringing the soles of the feet together. If this is difficult, you can take pillows and place one under each knee, comfortably taking equal weight on both your hips. Try to press the knees down on the mat so you are increasing the flexibility of your inner thigh muscles if the pain in your knee joint is because of stiffness. Our next practice is an exercise where you are going to stretch your calf muscles. So for that you will need a belt, or you can use a dupatta or a scarf which is available at home. Taking the dupatta, place it under your foot, holding the longer end, pull the toes up towards you. So it's not an active stretch, I'm not pulling the toes up actively. With the help of the belt, I'm just slightly applying pressure so that I get a good stretch on the back of my leg or my calf muscle. Our next practice is the hamstring stretch. So for that, again you'll require your belt or scarf, placing it under the foot. Let's come to the lying down position. Bending the left knee, you slowly start raising the right leg up, and as you stretch, pull the toes up towards you so you feel a good stretch all the way from the hamstrings to your calf muscles. Hold this stretch for about 30 counts and then slowly with control bring the leg down. Repeat this 3 times. Our next stretch is going to be the quadricep stretch in the prone lying position. So ensure that anyone with severe or chronic knee pain should be avoiding this practice because bending the knee beyond 90 degrees can increase your pain. So avoid doing this practice. But those with slight knee pain or in the acute stages can do this practice to stretch your quadriceps muscle, therefore helping you to release your pain. Let's start with the practice. Again, you will require the scarf or the belt. Placing it under the foot, you slowly come into the lying down position. Bending the same knee, you pull the belt so that you try to passively bend the knee, giving an overpressure. You are stretching the quadriceps muscle and then slowly releasing it. Again, pulling the belt, stretch your muscle, hold the stretch for up to 30 counts and then slowly release it. Gently straighten the knee and relax. Our first exercise is static quadriceps, which is where you press the knee down on your mat or the bed by engaging your quadriceps muscles, that are the muscles on the front of your thighs. So starting with the exercise, engage your muscles, press the knee down, hold this contraction for about 5 counts and slowly release. Again, contract the muscle, push the knee down, hold this for 5 counts and release. Do this practice 10 times on each leg. Our next practice is the straight leg raise. It's a strengthening practice for your thigh muscles and lower back. So for this, let's straighten the right leg, slowly pulling the toes up towards you. You raise the leg up to 90 degrees. If 90 degrees is difficult, you can stay at 60 or 70 degrees. Holding this position for up to 10 counts, you slowly with control bring your leg down and repeat this exercise 10 times on each leg. For the next practice, we will require a foam roller. If foam roller is not available, you can make use of 2 to 3 pillows that is available at home. So for this, again you will go into the lying down position. Take the foam roller or the pillows and place it under the knee, and from here with the knee slightly bent, you straighten the knee and bring them down. The thigh remains relaxed on the pillows or the foam roller, and I am just straightening my knee and bringing it down. So this again strengthens your quadricep muscles. You will repeat this 10 times. The next practice is going to be in the side lying position. So let's go into the position with the lower knee bent, the upper leg remains straight, and you slowly start raising the leg up sideways and down. Raising the leg up, hold it up for 10 counts, and with control gradually bring it down. We'll do this 10 times. A very good practice to strengthen the sides of your thighs. Our next practice is going to be clamshells. So again, let's bend both the knees in the side lying position. For this practice, with the ankles joined, you will just raise the upper knee and slowly bring it down. But ensure that you're not twisting the hips. You need to be maintaining a good posture, maintain your alignment, and just slowly raise the leg up to 30 degrees and then bring it down. Again, once you've taken it up, hold it up for up to 10 counts and slowly bring it down. Do this 10 times on each leg. A very good practice again to strengthen the sides of your thighs and your glutes or your buttock muscles. The next two practices are going to be in the prone lying position or in the position where you're lying down on your stomach. So for that, again turning to one side, let's lie down on our abdomen. For the first practice, relaxing one leg, we slightly bend the knee of the other leg and slowly straighten it. But again, ensure that you're not arching your back or raising the hips up. Your back and hips have to be on the mat while you're doing the practice. So slowly just bend the knee and straighten them. Again, when you're bending the knee, hold this position for up to 10 counts and slowly straighten. Repeat this practice 10 times. The next practice is going to be a straight leg raise in the prone lying position, which is going to strengthen all the muscles of the back, the hamstrings as well as your lower back muscles. So relaxing one leg, you slowly raise one leg up, hold it up for 10 counts and bring it down with control. Again, ensure that you're not twisting the hip or turning your leg to the other side. You need to maintain equal weight on your abdomen and on both hips. Holding this position up for 10 counts, bringing it down, you repeat this 10 times. Moving on to our next practice, which is in the high sitting posture. This practice is called dynamic quads. It's going to strengthen the quadriceps muscles again. With both your feet comfortably placed on the floor, leaning back and sitting on your backrest. Slowly start raising one leg up, pulling the toes up towards you. Hold this posture for up to 10 counts and slowly bring the leg down. You will repeat this practice on both the legs 10 times each. While physiotherapy exercises are a very helpful way of reducing your pain and improving your activities like squatting, walking or running, try to bring about a balance in your diet. You need to focus on your weight reduction because your entire weight is coming on the knees, thereby causing a lot of compression and increasing the pain. And moreover, you need to focus on walking on a regular basis. So if you feel that 10 minutes of walking today is comfortable and you start experiencing some amount of pain in the 11th or the 12th minute, continue walking for up to 10 minutes for a week and gradually increase your speed, gradually increase your duration every week, and what seems impossible today is going to be an easier task tomorrow. So continue these exercises on a regular basis, and if you enjoyed today's video, do not forget to press the like button. Do remember to comment in the section below. Also, if you have any queries or suggestions for any videos that you want me to upload, do put it in the comment section below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, subscribe on the button down there. Thank you.